we did leave, okay? We left King's Dominion early. I'm not filming. This is this one, so I'm good. My eyes are this one.
I'm right here. They can see it. I'm clearly holding this.
Okay, I'm just making sure. The rain has started. It is almost 6 o'clock. So the rain is coming. So we did dip out. We are going to go to Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's is about a 2-hour drive out of the way. But it's Buc-ee's. It's like, I love Buc-ee's.
I've driven more than that for Buc-ee's.
This is true. I drove what?
All over Texas.
At the next
All
stop
over
sign,
Texas.
turn right.
And I'm going to drive a lot more over Texas.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Virginia 738.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Virginia. But with that, we're going to be in the car for a bit. We're going to, take some driving, some video, some off-ride footage. And so stay tuned. I don't know. Wow, bro, come in my lane. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Glad I'm videoing enough.
I know, seriously. Anyways, I don't know if I'm going to mix this with the King's Dominion. I'm going to make this my own. I don't know.
Maybe Buc-ee's video.
It could be. I've done a Buc-ee's video by itself, but it is what it is. But we are on the way to Buc-ee's. So stay tuned. Let's have some more fun. Woo woo! We decided to make a quick stop at Sheetz.
Sheetz.
I already took video Sheetz, and
Oh.
if you've been on one Sheetz, you kind of meant to mow. So
So you could have put an old video, and old Sheetz in here, and you wouldn't know the difference.
I mean, I guess.
Okay.
But this is the Sheetz we went to anyway. So they had some whoopie pie thing.
It's a whoopie pie.
Well, they're not calling it that. They're calling it vanilla goobs.
It's a whoopie pie.
Oh, yeah, that's what I thought too. What'd you get?
Oh, shoot. I got Sheetz.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I got Gatorade.
Gatorade. And that's it?
That's all.
That's all we got. So, quick stop, bathroom break.
I want
I'm going to check out what this Yummies is, and then we are on to Buc-ee's. Let's go. All right. I done did some damage.
Yeah, in like 3 bites.
Yeah, I mean, you're going to eat it.
And?
The cake's pretty good. The frosting, I've had better. I mean, the whole thing I've had better. I mean, that's what I said. A little dry. But I guess for a gas station whoopie pie, it's all right. I would eat it. Actually, I think I actually enjoy it more than Buc-ee's whoopie pie.
So what you're saying is you'd go buy it again? Should you have gotten 2 for $3?
No, that's too much. That's too much whoopie. You know what I'm saying?
Too much whoopie for your pie?
That's right. Anyways, I'm going to eat this up, and we are on to Buc-ee's. Stay tuned. Buc-ee's.
Raining outside.
And it is raining outside. Rockingham. It's right there. Proof. We are at Buc-ee's. We'll put our heads on and we're going to go inside.
Take your head off.
I took my head off?
You said we're going to put our heads on.
I said we're going to put our hoods on.
I said I heard heads. We're going to have to play this back and figure it out.
Yeah, we got instant replay. See? We go. Flow the flag. Anyway. Wrong commercial, wrong channel, whatever. Anyways, going into Buc-ee's, we're gonna go check it out. It looks super big. It's brand new. Should be, again, you've been in Buc-ee's, you know, but I gotta pick up some stuff for some of my guys. Mr. Pastor, you know, you'll get him some Buc-ee nuggets. Let's go. I mean, the first thing I recognize more than this thing's wide open. Yeah. This thing is very wide open. A lot more, not more selection, just more inventory.
It's huge.
It's huge. This place is huge. All right, let's go in the middle. Sweet, sweet. Little Buc-ee stuff. Gonna get some picture stuff, but yeah, it's still raining. Got the turkey sandwich. I love this sandwich. It's freaking good. It's good. I got the wavy chips, hot honey barbecue. I haven't tried them yet. April got the beaver chips and
a salad.
A salad.
A salad.
Salad. That's pretty good.
Gluten-free.
Yeah, good for it. So we're gonna eat. Gonna have something to eat, and we'll be back. Actually, I got food in my beard. No, I got food in my beard. Anyways, we'll be back. The Buc-ee's in the books. That's what I'm talking about. Mrs. didn't want to get out. It's raining. I think I wasn't that excited when I got in, or I was so excited when I got in. I don't even know if I showed the Buc-ee's. Like, I don't even know. But anyways, we're gonna go over there. We're gonna see the Buc-ee because that's my thing, and I like to take a picture with it. So we'll be back. Okay, Buc-ee found, or April said Buc-ee found, but I'm still not seeing Buc-ee. Behind the Jeep. Going up. Yeah. And how many other people hugged them?
Nobody hugs it.
Oh.
I didn't like.
Oh, you got like multi-hugged. Oh.
You didn't get hugged by Buc-ee.
Because I just thumb up Buc-ee every time. So why would I do that? Anyways, Buc-ee has been accomplished in Virginia, another state, another Buc-ee's. I believe this is the only Buc-ee's in Virginia right now. So that's awesome. So we have done that. And again, we're talking about what, Colorado? Because we got to get them in Colorado. And Arizona's opening up this year, and Ohio's opening. Mississippi. So yeah. That's on you, bro. Anyways, all right. Well, with that, we are heading now to the hotel. We are done for the night. So I'm gonna double it up with keep your hands up.
Oh, sorry.
keep your hands up. Your seatbelt buckled, and your phone in a zipper pocket. Have a great night. We'll be back tomorrow with Dutch Wonderland and hopefully...
I said Krabby Patties. Oscar's Wacky Tank.
Been a long night. Let's go.